The Airbus A380 is the largest passenger aircraft ever built and a true symbol of ambition in modern aviation. This full double-decker jet can carry over 500 passengers in typical airline configurations and more than 800 in maximum capacity. Powered by four massive turbofan engines, the A380 was designed for long-haul flights, combining impressive efficiency with exceptional passenger comfort. Its spacious cabin, reduced noise levels, and premium features, such as onboard lounges, bars, and first-class suites, redefined the flying experience. Since its first flight in 2005, the Airbus A380 has changed how the world views air travel. Although production has ended, the A380 remains an aviation icon and a legendary super jumbo of the skies.